What's up, everybody? Hope you're staying positive and elevated. I'm going to show you one of the many fast, easy methods I use to make dank canna butter using FSHO. FSHO iron is for full spectrum hash oil. Using this hash oil is one of the quickest ways to make infused butter, considering it consists of the whole profile being extracted from the plant, including cannabinoids, terpenes, proteins, flavonoids, cannabinoid with FSHO, and a few other compounds. And the cannabinoids are then activated by decarbing. I'm going to make a small batch to put on top of mashed potatoes, but you can use this method to make a small or big batch of canna butter. The cannabinoids and other compounds in the hash oil can be mixed with butter. You only need 2 ingredients, FSHO and butter. I let it sit out at room temperature until it softens rather than heating it to melt. Once it's at room temperature, I mix in the FSHO until it's all emulsified. Once it's completely emulsified, it's ready to consume. If you're making a big batch, you could put them in small molds and make small cubes, or put in a big mold and cut into pieces, or put in a jar and use a teaspoon or a tablespoon to measure your dosages. This is a great way to make dank canna butter and still have the full profile of the specific strain you're using without having to go through the extraction process. Works great for cooking or using as a topping on foods like baked potatoes, popcorn, pancakes. This is one of the many ways to make fast, easy, dank canna butter. Stay positive, stay elevated, happy token.